So today I'm painting a princess in a yellow dress with green face. So always nice to put like different values there, yellow and green. I added some orange on the lady to represent the PNP and the JLP together. It's always nice to put them together to cause chaos. Not to mention the blue in the background. The sky is always blue, so blue it is. The red there represents the love that the JLP and the PMP should show. So I put the red there in the background to represent that. So now I'm moving on to a princess playing a football. So we'll see how that turns out. So I started by painting the dress red. Red is always nice. And you should always look the way you dress from top to bottom. So I painted the face red. Also, I have a yellow ball at home, so I just paint this yellow. And nature is always green, so I put the green in the background. I also decided to paint the people green because we're from dirt.
Finish.